Hi, first graders. I should call you poets now. Hello, first grade poets. I am going to start today by reading you two more examples of first grade poems, just to get our minds back thinking about poetry. I am also going to link a document into the lesson plans that are going to have pictures of all these examples of poems. So if you're getting a little stuck and you feel like it might be helpful to look closely at one of these poems, I'll have a bunch of examples on there for you to click on. So here are the two I want to read you today. This first one is called Panda. The white and black mask, face, moving slowly through China, eating bamboo as it goes. There's not a lot of words in that poem, but that's okay. Another poem I want to read you is called Martin Luther King. He is special. He solved problems. He made people happy, and he made countries equal. So you might have noticed that poems can be about all sorts of different things. And we know from our Poetry Basics poster that poems can be about anything. So today I want to teach you about where you can get some good ideas for poems. Like we know, poems can be about anything, but sometimes it might be hard to narrow down what you want to write your poems about. So today I'm going to give you a bunch of different things to help you brainstorm ideas. What I want you to do is I want you to grab any old piece of paper, and maybe while I'm talking or right after, I just want you to make a list of everything that you could write poetry about, because there are going to be so many things. Then when you're writing poetry over the next 4 or 5 days, you can look back at your list if you're stuck thinking of an idea. And then you can always go back and add to that. So I'm going to show you kinds of ideas, and I want you to think about the specific ideas for you. So some ideas for poems might be things that you like. What are some things that you really, really like? For me, coffee, sunshine, running, being outside, trees. You might think of things that you don't like. That's okay. Remember, poems can be funny or serious. And if there is something that you're scared of, something that you don't like, could be something you could write a poem about. You could write a poem about your favorite place, maybe your grandma's house, maybe a park, maybe somewhere you've gone on vacation. You can write about your favorite food. You can write about your favorite dessert. Another thing you can write about is exciting times you might have had, like holidays or a vacation you might have taken. Or maybe it's like a small moment exciting time, like maybe yesterday you were riding your bike and you fell over. Some other ideas for poems could be what you like to do. If you like to ride your bike, you can write a poem about bike riding. I could write a poem about running because I like running. You could write about things you've seen. Like if you've been to Washington, D.C. and seen the White House, or maybe if you've seen the Milwaukee River. And one time, maybe like a couple weeks ago when it was really super high because it rained so much. You could write about that. You can write about people. Like important people to you. Like I could write about my mom, or about Mr. B, or about my grandma, or like the poem I showed you in the beginning about someone famous that you know a lot about. So first graders, poems can be about anything. Anything. These are just some ideas. If you even have more ideas than this, write them all down on that list. So I want you to spend some time brainstorming today. Then I kind of want to show you what would happen next. So you have an idea. Now what? And I'm going to show you that by writing my very own poem. I grabbed any old piece of paper. I'm going to think about things I like. Something I like is sunshine. I am just going to name my poem Sunshine. Then I'm going to think about sunshine. My poem's not just going to be the word, oops, I spelled sunshine wrong. That's okay, we all make mistakes, right? My poem's not just going to be the word sunshine. I'm going to think about how sunshine makes me feel, about what I like to do in the sunshine, about when we see sunshine. And so maybe I could even like make a list of things about sunshine before I get started. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to write sunshine. So sunshine is normally in the summer. It's warm on my skin. I like to sit and read in the sunshine. I like to take walks in the sunshine. It makes me, you could think about how it makes you feel. It makes me feel happy. And I think I'm going to stop right there. But so this isn't my poem, right? This is just some ideas for me thinking about sunshine. Then I would take these ideas and turn them into a poem. So I'm going to keep my ideas right next to me. And I'm going to make the same title, Sunshine. And I'm going to spell it right this time. I'm going to draw a quick little sun. My first line is just going to be, oh, how lovely. Sunshine is sweet. Sunshine is summer. Sunshine is right. Notice how I'm thinking of some new ideas and I'm using what I used to describe sunshine too. Then I might start a new little paragraph. Warm on my skin. Then I might repeat. Poems repeat a lot. So I might say, warm on my skin. Oh, how lovely. And I'm going to start a new line. I sit, or a new little paragraph. I sit, I read, I walk. And then maybe my last line is just going to be repeating the line that I've used a couple of times. So notice how I just kind of wrote. And that, first graders, is how you get good at poetry. Whatever you're feeling about your topic, just start writing. If it helps you to make a little list before you write about describing and thinking about how it makes you feel and all of that, go for it. If you just want to start writing poems, you can write many poems about the same topic. But when I look back, I just have a first draft of a poem about sunshine. So, first graders, I want you to dive in and get started. I want you to make a list of ideas, and then I want you to write a poem today. It can be about anything. All right, have fun.